Good afternoon. Myself Pratap Burman. Actually, today I have present here to make some clarification regarding the issue of our people spreading entire Northeast. I am the. Let me introduce myself first of all. I am the founder and chairman of All Mandai People Association, which was founded in the year 2018. We founded the organization started from Meghalaya. Then we extended up to Tripura, working Tripura, Upper Assam. Our aims and goal is to unite our own blooded brothers wherever they are splitted. Okay. So in this regard, actually, Mandai means the Aryanized Mandai peoples are known as Burmans. So since our people are split entire Northeast India, so in today's politics we are divided by country, district or state. So according to the politics, our people are known by different names in different places. So in BTR region, our people are known as Burman Kacharis. If we go in Meghalaya, we see our people calling themselves as Mandai. In Tripura, they are scheduled as Koch. In Bangladesh, they are known as Burman, Koch Burman or Burman, like that. So different area we are known by different names. So our aims and goal is to again reunite our entire people under one banner. So with that motive, we have started our mission from 2018. Now regarding the situation in BTR, so our own blooded brothers, they are calling themselves as Burman Kacharis. So they are not other people, they are our same people, same culture, same language, but identity is different. So I want to give a message to entire Northeast people. Since I am responsible for entire Northeast, I am working entire Northeast region organization under the name of All Mandai People Association. So recently we have a discussion and formed one get together. Since we belong to the same stock, same culture, so we should unite. So it was a good platform. We sat all together along with Burman Kacharis and Mandai. Together we sat together, and it was a good meeting. We united each other, and we discussed about in all round sector how we can uplift and develop our people, because our people are suppressed entire Northeast due to the identity crisis. Once we are also one of the aborigine of this land, but since our identity is diverted in different ways, so we are deprived from the government opportunities or whatever. The situation of the Burman people are degrading day by day. So we united in that forum. So recently a person named Podum Burman from Khairabari itself, I came to know through one of the press media that he claimed himself as the Central Body Student Union General Secretary. So for that I want to give a clarification that since today, from 2018, since our foundation, we have not formed any student organization till now. This is number one clarification, because our motive is not like any other organization to go and make any mass movement. Our motive is to unite people. We don't want any student organization. If required, it will be our next phase. It will be done with proper discussion with all our central bodies. Okay. So I don't know how he evolved as a student leader. Because from our central body from Assam, they don't know about it. Our central body from Meghalaya, they don't know about it. Our central body from Tripura, they don't know about it. Has their own constitution. So we cannot do anything. We cannot claim ourselves as a king without our subjects, right? So self-claimed leader, I don't want to say ill about him or about Podum. Let him do whatever do, but he should not, his message should not harm our policy, our aim and ambition. For that clarification, I have come, and it's a clarification from our organization, All Mandai People Organization, that he has been restricted in the year 2019. Since 1.5 years, he has no contact with our parent body. So this is my clarification. Now the second clarification will come from our Oikko Moncho president. He will detail about even he was present in that Oikko Moncho, but still after promising that yes, I will work as a Oikko Moncho, a member of Oikko Moncho, but still he is claiming himself as Mandai student leader. So what is the hidden agenda? We don't know. It is your turn to ask him what is his hidden agenda. But from my side, as a founder member of All Mandai People Association, this is my clarification that Podum is not a member of All Mandai People Association since 1.5 years ago.
All Burman Jatiyo BTR Monsar Farar কৈছোঁ যে অলপ আগতে যেটো নেকি আমাৰ মাণ্ডাই পিপলছ পাৰ্টি সংগঠনৰ পৰা যেটো নেকি তেওঁলোকে এটা ক্লিয়াৰিফিকেশ্যন যেটো দিলে তাৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰি আমি ক'বলৈ ওলাইছোঁ যেটো আমি দেখা পাইছোঁ যে আজি যেটো নেকি বৰ্মন মাণ্ডাই যেটো এটা সংগঠন কেইদিনমান আগতে আমাৰ শ্ৰী পদুম বৰ্মন সম্পাদক হিচাপে এটা প্ৰেছ বিজ্ঞপ্তি দিছে গতিকে এই কথাখিনি যে সত্য নহয় এই কথাখিনি আমি যেটো নেকি আমাৰ মাণ্ডাই পিছ ফাৰ্মাৰ
All Mandai People Association
এছ'চিয়েশ্যনৰ পৰা এইটো সত্য নহয় বুলি তেওঁ জনাইছে আৰু সেইকাৰণে আমিও সেইটো জাতীয় ঐক্য মঞ্চৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি ধিক্কাৰ দিছোঁ গৰিহণা দিছোঁ যে কোনো জাতিৰ এজন ব্যক্তিগতভাৱে কোনো সংগঠনৰ নাম লৈ যদি তেওঁ জাতিৰ মানে চিন্তা কৰিব বিচাৰিছে তাক আমি মানে তীব্ৰ ভাষাৰে গৰিহণা দিছোঁ আৰু আগন্তুক দিনত তেওঁৰ যিবিলাক কাৰ্য যাতে তেওঁ এজন হয়তো আমি দেখিবলৈ পাইছোঁ ইউপিপিএল হিচাপে দলৰ কাৰ্যকৰ্তা হিচাপে তেওঁ কাম কৰি যাওক কিন্তু জাতীয় সংগঠনৰ নাম লৈ যেন ভুৱা প্ৰচাৰ নচলায় তাৰ কাৰণে আমি জাতীয় ঐক্য মঞ্চৰ ফালৰ পৰা তেওঁক মানে আহ্বান জনাইছোঁ গতিকে এইখিনিয়ে গতিকে আমিও জনাইছোঁ যে তেওঁ বৰ্তমানলৈকে কোনো জাতীয় ঐক্য মঞ্চৰ সদস্য নহয় বা আমি অলপতে গম পাইছোঁ তেওঁ মানে বৰ্মন মাণ্ডাৰ কোনো সক্ৰিয় সদস্য নহয় গতিকে তেনেকুৱা এটা ভুৱা সংগঠনৰ নাম লৈ তেওঁ জন্মগ্ৰহণ কৰা কথাটো আমাৰ বাবে অতি দুৰ্ভাগ্যজনক বুলি আমি মানে ব্যক্ত কৰিবলৈ বাধ্য হৈছোঁ।